Do you know what proper nouns are? I'm Mr. Mitchell, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Let's look at some examples. Jane gave her book to her friend Sarah. Jane is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific person. Now look at the second example. Mr. and Mrs. Brown caught the train to Sydney. Sydney is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific place. Now look at the third example. Liam and Sophie walked to Central Park after school. Liam and Sophie are proper nouns because they are the names of specific people. Now it's your turn. Can you find all the other proper nouns? Pause the video and see how many you can find. The other proper nouns are Sarah, Mr., Mrs. Brown, and Central Park. Remember, proper nouns are the names of specific people, places, or things, and they always begin with a capital letter. Like and subscribe to help other English learners discover our lessons. I'll see you in the next video.